Hello, beautiful traders. Good morning to all of you, beautiful traders. Today, I would like to share something with you. I see on USDJPY. So this is a 4-hour chart on USDJPY, as you can see. So now, I would like us to plot some key levels, and then let me state what I see. Okay, so this is a support. We draw support as a zone. So this is a support. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to clone and find some other support levels. This is another one I see. So another support I see. The market here, there was rejection. So here there's rejection down here. So now let me do another one. This zone, there was a rejection here, and possibly the market has entered back into that zone. So I'm going to try to draw, so it shows that the market is already getting into the support level, and as you can see, there's a strong rejection here, as you can see. So the market is going to that zone, and currently there is a rejection happening in that zone. So I'm going to take out my trend line to see what we can get from that. I start from here. The market has been in an uptrend, so I'll pull it off from here, as you can see. Okay, it touches. Okay, let me open the chart so that you can see clearly. Okay, see, it touches this zone when the trend line touches this line, and as we can see, it is also entering into this level. So now what I need to do again, I want to pull up my Fibonacci from Fibonacci adjustment. I'll draw from this swing low to swing high, then I'll mark the golden zone. As we can see, this is the golden zone from 0.5 to 0.6, as we can see. So if we mark this zone, very clearly, okay. No, what am I doing? Okay, if we mark this, let me put this one in a different color so that the Fibonacci golden zone, let me try to change the color. What am I doing? Okay, I'll do something. Okay, so as you can see, let me erase back the Fibonacci. Okay, as you can see, we call this type of zone conflict zones, where support and resistance, they meet, trend line meets, and Fibonacci meet. So this is a very high probability zone for an entry, and the market was in an uptrend. So if we get this zone, if a trade in this zone is a high probability trade that the market will push to the upside. So as I'm about to share this video, I pray all of you guys can get a good entry into this zone. And because in this zone we see three things happening: trend line, support and resistance, and Fibonacci golden zone. So this is a very strong zone for an entry. So you can just take a trade. If I pull up it here, you can go for a long here. Okay, you can target. What am I doing? Yeah, I'm doing something else. Okay, you can target a long here from this zone. Okay, then you make sure you keep your risks very small. Then okay, as you all can see, this is what we're targeting, but I prefer to target this height here. I just to keep it a ratio of more, as you can see. Just keep it this way, and then we target this zone here. But I think it can go more than that. So yeah, your first closing trades can be here. So I wish all of you good luck. This is the trade. So you all have a nice day. Thank you. Peace. Shalom.